Saya main mau melawan tuh.
Ito ko pastor ha. Uy, asa ka pa ingon? Hi guys. Hi guys.
When I need space, that's where I go. A place to escape that nobody knows. Where I feel free to let things go.
Hi guys. Nami sa Cowboys. Napami sa ubos. Musaka pami.
Pack my pain.
Asa ganita?
Emotions I cannot
Musaka mamanta ba? Musaka. Kita ni.
myself
Ba, masaka pamanta dito sa taas ba?
on that lonely dirt
Ba?
road. I needed somewhere to take my mistakes. I didn't want my family to see me cry. They'll never know I'm carrying all of this weight, dealing with the pressure of trying to provide. No sign of struggle on my face.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Fire up that
So, mana kami o Cowboys Camp guys. So, napami sa ubos.
with every mind.
Sinu-stranded ang people. Kinamitan
I remember Daddy told me about some times like these. On that road is where my mind is. I keep driving like a wave.
Oh my gosh.
I need space. That's where I go. A place to escape that nobody knows. Where I feel free to let things go.
From here to here.
I bring my hatred. I pack
Hey,
all the emotions I cannot explain. It's where I found God.
Hi everyone. Overlooking ka mo.
On that lonely
Dili kayo siya hangap guys. Tungod kay medyo ra makaya ang
that was in my
yaha ka tungason.
But as a man, the only flowers that you get her when you're 6 feet under. The day you die. I think I feel the pain my father felt. It's finally sinking in. Looking back, all I see is his eyes. He said that house is not a home unless you build it on respect, with some kids and a loving wife. If these walls could talk, I'd bet they'd say it's all my fault. That I don't try hard, that I ain't man enough, that I ain't standing up, that I just burn everything that my hands touch. Whoa. If these walls could talk, I'd bet
Okay.
they'd say I'm to blame. That
Saka.
I put myself inside of all of these chains, that my addictive personality's what ran them away, and that I hurt myself by staying quiet and not explaining. I'm broken in places I can't even see. I know
This is
it's gotta
real.
be a heaven, cause the hell that's me. It's taking a dangerous toll that I'm paying with all of my soul. And I know that's where I go. Place to escape that nobody knows. Where I feel free to let things go and face this evil that burdens my soul. I bring my hatred, I pack my pain, all the emotions I cannot explain. It's where I found God and filled that hole. It's He, myself, and I on that lonely dirt road.
Hey,